Alright guys, so I just finished cleaning the car. Now, what I'm gonna do is clean off this brush. I'll leave that right down there. And we're gonna grab this shovel. Some snow on it. I'm just gonna... Alright, so we got the shovel now. And we're gonna shovel this part here so the car can actually leave. We do have to be careful though. This way we don't get run over because you got a bunch of cars always driving. For example, there's a truck right there. So we'll just start like this. Actually, let me turn it like this. We'll make two piles. We gotta be careful not to hit the car. See all this snow here? When the car's leaving, there's a little bit of a hill here. It's gonna have a hard time exiting. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna push all that snow here, lift it up, and dump. Oh man, my fingers are cold. Even though I got thick gloves on, it's still snowing constantly. Oh man, my fingers are really cold. Alright, got these warm gloves though, but we'll try our best. Alright, this tire should be good like this. Alright, let's get the other side here. Drag the shovel with us. Alright. Put this back. Alright, now there are no cars on the road, so I can actually scoop this part. I gotta fix my camera real quick. And my gloves. It's super cold out. Oof. So, got this part done. Got a little bit more to go. So the car can just roll out nice. Alright, I think it's better. Alright, hang on. Gotta wait for a car passing by. Alright.